Hello, my name is Ofek Java, and today I will be presenting my game Explorers. Before I begin with showing my demo and code, I need to say a few things. The target audience for this game is elementary school students who are learning about explorers. The educational goal of this game is for users to expand their knowledge of famous European explorers. Explorers is an interactive, fun, two-user quiz-based game. The game is set up in a unique way. First thing both users do is educate themselves by scrolling through information of different explorers. When both users feel like they're ready to play the game, they will click on a button that brings them to the game. They are brought to a different panel. The game itself is surrounded by 20 randomly assorted questions that each user will alternate equally to answer the question. A scoreboard that tracks their score and an image appearing on the left of each question that acts as a hint to the user. Now let's start the demo. As you can see, on the right there's the information for each explorer with an image showing the explorer's exploration route. When both users feel like they're ready, they will scroll through using this button to the next explorer. And if they feel like they need to go back to a previous explorer, they can use this button. Now, when both users feel ready to start the game, user A will click on the top left to play, and then the game will start. Multiple choice questions and a scoreboard will be present throughout the game. Throughout the game, user A will alternate with user B until there's a winner. Now I will show you the gameplay until a user has won. This might take a couple of seconds. Also, you can see in the scoreboard that user A and user B are tied. User A scoreboard is red and user B scoreboard is green. The bar will go up as a user has increased their correct answers. The user will decrease if the answer is wrong, as you can see in user A. User B has won. As you can see, he's the winner. Now, let's go into the code. As you can see, this is a scanner. This is a random method used to generate random questions to the user. This is an example of a math operand. This is an example of string methods usage. This is an example for using if and else to determine which user will get the next question. This is an example for the user-made class. Each player has its own instance. This is an example for user-made method. This method used to find out how many questions in the quiz.text contains. This is an example for 1D string array to hold the optional answers. This is an example of a text file. The file contains all the quiz questions and answers. This is an example for image. The information panel uses to bank of image. This is an example of a mouse. Events used to navigate in the GUI. This is an example of focus, used to ask the OS to generate events. This is a frame and panel to use to generate the GUI components. This is usage of layout that allows me to organize the panels in the GUI. Thank you, and this is the end of the presentation. I hope you have learned.